Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit, kamusta kayo dyan? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang third week of June. Tama ba ako? Sana tama na ako, no? Third week ba? Second week? Hindi, third week na. Third week of June. Someone is heartbroken. Nakita ko yung Three of Swords. So, siya nga po pala sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. Stay connected po tayo. So, maraming salamat po in advance. Okay. Sa mga new subscriber po natin, thank you so much po. Welcome, welcome. Sa mga returning subscriber, hello po. Ako ulit. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Third week of June. Someone is heartbroken, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung sa community mo or person na connected sa'yo or ikaw. Someone is heartbroken. Bakit? Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay, at saka vice versa ang reading. So, tingnan natin. Ayaw lumabas ah. King of Water. Loving, caring, emotionally intelligent, Nine of Air, sleepless nights, may iba sa inyong merong nahihirapang matulog, okay, and then may nakikita akong mga white noise, like nakikinig ng pampatulog, okay. Meron pa akong isang scenario nakikita pero bubunot muna ako. Sana po yung naririnig ako, no? Parang feeling ko the Hangman. So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, meron ditong bagong perspective. Okay. Regarding saan? Meron tayong King of Water at saka King of Fire. Okay. Ten of Cups, Seven of Cups, Hangman, the World card, Justice card. Meron ditong delay, pero still trusting the process. Okay. Meron na ditong very anxious, having an sleepless nights. Okay. Merong isang person dito, okay, na call. Expect some call. Merong tatawag sa'yo dito, Virgo. Or ikaw ang tatawag. Ano ba tong world card? Emperor. Nine of Water. Nine of Cups to the Ten of Cups. To the King of Cups. Puro Cups. Virgo, love is on the air. Merong someone dito. Boss energy, father figure energy, or marami lang siyang responsibilidad together with the Emperor ay Tower card. There is an expected coming, Virgo. This is a new person, I think. If clarify more, Emperor, Empress, couple nga. Ang ganda. Virgo, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay. Sa mga Virgo meron ng partner, merong level up dito when it comes to relationship. Pero Virgo, ito na yung hinihintay mo. Meron kang incoming, okay. Meron kang incoming. Very unexpected. Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups, the Emperor card, tsaka the Empress. Together with the World and the Tower. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko sa part na yan? Meron kang new incoming, Virgo. Tapos, meron ditong tinitingnan ang sitwasyon in a different perspective. Okay. I think ito na yung karma mo, Virgo. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na ang daming palpak sa relationship na para bang ang feeling mo, um, surrender ka na. Ayaw mo na muna ng kung ano-ano pa mang mga kabulastugan. I think this is the real deal. Emperor, Empress, talaga namang meron kayong something before, like past lives kind of thing. Ito na yung timeline nyo para mag-meet. Oy, ano ba yan? Ayoko nga. Oy, hindi ko alam kung kanino tong Nine of Swords. Maybe, I think energetically Virgo, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, uulitin ko. Better luck next time po. Kung okay ka naman, okay naman ang relationship mo, then this is not for you. This is for the Virgos na nawawala na ng pag-asa pagdating sa love. Okay. I think this person is coming. Kung makakakita ka ng 1441, 1441 or something in that line, or 444 or 111, repeating numbers, okay. Ba't ko nasabi yun? Kasi meron ako nakitang 4, Emperor. Okay. Merong incoming Virgo. Di ko alam kung anong meaning nun. 1441. Something, paki-google na lang kasi I don't know. Okay, so 11. Merong incoming talaga, Virgo. Hindi ko merong energetically dito na nine of cups to the 10 of cups. This is emotionally fulfilling. 10 of cups. Para po to sa mga Virgo na hindi na nag-focus more on love. Para po to sa mga Virgo na it is what it is na lang, yung para bagang immune ka na, yung para bagang tawag niyan, basta the moment na nag-let go ka sa idea ng love, Virgo, I think someone is coming in. Meron kang yung talagang nakadestined para sa'yo. Titingnan ko nga, ida-dive deep ko pa. Kasi bakit ko nasabi yun? Meron kang justice card eh. The world card. Kailangan mo rin mag-explore. Hindi po darating yan sa loob ka lang ng bahay. Meaning to say, hindi ko naman sinabing lumabas ka or maglagalag. I mean, socialize ba na sinasabi. Look at the situation in a different perspective. Okay. So, titingnan mo, basta merong Queen of Fire, King of Water, Nine of Air, meron nang nag-iisip, nag-overthink dito. Anong tawag niyan? Meron akong nasisense yung parang calling in your soulmate. Kasi meron kang call kanina. Both of you, nag-surrender na sa idea ng love. Okay. So, Emperor, Empress, mga well-experienced kasi yan eh. Okay. With the Seven of Water, pero marami pa ring opportunity at marami pa rin pumapasok. Parang isa sa inyo or parehas kayong may mentality na people come and goes. Okay. So, nandun yung desire na magkaroon ng love na talagang solid, long term, like kahit maputi na ang buhok or basta something in that line. I think it's coming, Virgo. I think it's coming. Oh my God, this is a new person. Bakit ko nasabing new person? With the world card. The moment na mag-end ka ng cycle to someone, as in totally fully cut off, like emotionally, mentally, hindi naman kasi ganun kadali. Okay, so mahirap din. Pero, yun lang ang magti-trigger na you're going to call your soulmate energetically. Parang paras kayong parehas kayong ano, ah, energetically, vibrationally. The moment na learn your lesson with the world card, saka papasok ang new love dito, yung talagang naka-destined para sa'yo, with the justice card. Okey, sana walang confusion kasi bakit ko nasabing may confusion, Seven of Cups nandito. Like sana naman kung dumating 'tong person na 'to hindi ka ma-confuse. Pero titingnan natin kung ang palatandaan lang dito is parehas kayo ng energy, eh, parehas kayo ng perspective, okey. Parehas kayo ng pananaw, meron kayong similarity when it comes to, um, parang meron kayong anong tawag niyan, tawag nga niyan, anong tawag niyan Virgo, vision, mission, gano'n, 'yun. Meron kayong vision at saka mission. Merong similarity yung gusto niyong mangyari when it comes to love, okey. Actually, this is matured, wala akong nakitang knight. Kasi pa may king, may queen, tapos at the same time merong emperor, empress. Hello. This is maraming pinagdaanan. Hindi 'to beginner when it comes to love. Nasaktan 'to ng paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit hanggang sa natuto. Okey. Ang isa is more on passion and more on, you know what I mean, chemistry, love. Gano'n yung love language niya. The another person is more on emotionally fulfilling, caring, talagang mafi-feel mo ang you will feel the real love here, Virgo. Oh my God, ayoko na nga. Nine of Cups to the Ten of Cups, mapapasabi ka na lang na deserve ko 'to. Okey. So, yung another person mapapasabi na lang din na deserve ko din 'to. My God, for very long time. Okey, so tingnan natin ano pa. Wow, ang ganda naman, Virgo. Hmm. Justice card. Deserve mo yan. Ibig ko sabihin, karma mo yan. Kung ikaw ay naging mabuti sa partner mo, tas ikaw lagi ang niloloko, ikaw lagi ang inaagrabyado, well, congratulations. Your real person is here. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ayoko na. Three of Earth, the Hermit card. Three of Earth is like collaboration, partnership. The Hermit card is introspection. Um, Hindi ko alam kung different scenario 'to, pero merong isang person dito na gusto makipag-partnership sa'yo pero pinag-iisipan mo pa. Nagche-check ka pa ng background dito, okey. Or maybe someone is checking your background as well, kasi gusto niyang makipag-partnership, gusto niyang ma-assure na you are, legit, okey. Or baka ikaw gusto mong i-sure na yung person na, ano ba, Four of Fire. Four of Wands, celebration, accomplishment, engagement, marriage. What the freak, Virgo? May nagche-check ng background mo dito if you are a legit one or whatsoever. Pero gusto nitong makipag-partnership for sure. I think with the Hermit card, feeling nito is close off at the moment or maybe someone is close off at the moment kasi but with the Four of Wands, definitely merong engagement, proposal, promotion, celebration, getting in together, moving in together about home. Wow, Virgo. But at the same time, merong Hermit card sa middle. So, how come na magkakapag-partnership na merong isang close off dito or nasa proseso pa ng inaalam. Okay, inaalam pa yung mga background check or under observation or something in that line. Pero as I said, meron tayo dito kasing the hangman, like tinitingnan ang sitwasyon in a different perspective. Okay. Pero meron siyang insight, alam niya na kung ano ang gagawin niya sa mga perspective na nare-receive niya or baka ikaw 'to. You see the situation in the different perspective, Virgo. Pero merong isa dito na nagba-background check at the moment, okey. Oo, ay Virgo, ano ba 'yan? Expect some call or gustong makapag-usap, hindi lang call pero yung call naramdaman ko din yun para bang calling in your soulmate. Kumbaga the moment na bumitaw ka na, parang dun ka energetically you are pulling each other. Uy, Virgo naman. Papaiyak tuloy ako. Ano ba 'yan? So tingnan natin what else. Strength card, ang lakas talaga ng hatak dito. Ang lakas ng hatak. Kaya naman talagang merong ay shoot, the Hierophant. Wala na, kasalan 'to, Virgo. Wait lang. Kasalan 'to, Four of Wands and the Hierophant card. Kung saan makikita mo merong sing-sing, ayun o. Ayun siya. Virgo, mag-focus ka naman. Ayan o. Ano ba yan? Basta, merong marriage dito na magaganap, engagement, moving in together. Kaya lang with the Hermit card, ang napapagit na may nag-iisip pa. Okay. Background check. Okay. Pero ang ganda, kung sino man to deserve mo to, kung sino man siya deserve ka niya. Okay. So, both of you learn the hardest lesson on earth. Okay, so, the moment na nag-give up na kayong dalawa sa idea ng love, doon kayo magkahatakan energetically hanggang sa mag-cross path kayo. Oh, ano ba yan? Agad-agad nandito ang very, very committed person. Okay. But ayaw niya nang ma-repeat. Ayaw niya nang ulitin ang mga past mistake. Okay, so kaya meron tayong mga background checking. Basta with the Hermit card, ini-introspect ng mabuti pero nandun na yung feeling na ikaw na habang nag-i-introspect is like, you know what I mean. O, confirmation, Virgo. Ano ba? Ang lakas no with the Strength card. Kung sino man tong person na to, um, this person, gustong-gusto niya yung strength mo, independency with the Queen of Wands, Empress, creativity, productivity, the mind, the soul. Oh my God. Virgo, hindi ko alam kung ito na. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, please, better luck next time po, okay? So, Virgo, ang lakas ng marriage, ang lakas ng proposal, ang lakas ng engagement, ang lakas, wow. Moving in together, ang lakas. This person is a provider with the Emperor card. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, the moment na nag-give up ka na, at yung may confusion card ka kaso dito. So, use your own discernment, Virgo. If this is the real deal or the real one. Okay. Kasi commitment agad ang offer nito eh. Commitment agad. Like, hindi biro. Hindi siya nagbibiro. I think hindi ka rin nagbibiro. Mafe-feel mo yan energetically. Okay. Magkakaroon, mo yung malay mo. Please naman. Huwag kayong tanong. Okay, so tingnan natin. Six of Earth, very generous person. Okay. King of Earth, ay my God. All about the bag. Ano siya, Virgo, stable siya, marunong siya mag-diskarte, entrepreneurial mindset, hindi ka magugutom actually. Yung isusubo niya na lang, ibibigay niya pa sa'yo. Kaya, oy, akin na lang to, Virgo. Huwag ka nang, akin na lang. Ganitong mga masasabi kong selfless, King of Earth, King of Water, pero meron siyang side na authoritative, authority, ano nga ang tawag niyan? Tulungan niyo naman ako. authoritative. Basta meron siyang side na territorial, ah, pagkanya-kanya. Okay, so wag ka kahit langaw, tsaka lamok, no, di ka pwedeng dapuan. Let's just say corny pakinggan. But yung ganong energy ba, very territorial with ang ugali ng emperor is very masculine, very protective. Pati ako nabubulol na, natulo laway ko ba. So, hindi ka magugutuman dito, Virgo. Provider to, madiskarte, didiskartehan niya talaga kung basta pagdating para sa'yo, okay. Ganun ka din, either way. Together with the Five of Fire, baka iniisip niya marami kang kompetensya or overthinker. Ang daming nagbabangayan sa isip, baka nakikita ka niya as overthinker or baka nakikita mo siyang overthinking din. Pero at the end of the day, marriage, strength card, Hierophant card, commitment, Four of Wands. Wow, Virgo. Ang ganda naman. Very stable, okay, stable. Um, good listener. Then, okay, okay. Eight of Earth, okay. Workaholic. Pero i-make sure niyang priority ka niya in any way, shape, or form. Hindi, meron siyang mentality na walang taong busy sa taong mahal mo. Ay, ewan ko ba ba't napi-pick up ko ang ganda naman ng araw ko ngayon. Nakakahawa yung energy niya. Tapos merong Ace of Air. This is aha moment, new beginning, new idea, business team, business partnership. At katotohanan, Virgo, this person, kasi may confusing card ka dito, ang palatandaan mo lang sa kanya is very straightforward, workaholic, provider. I-make sure na uunahin kung ano ang pangangailangan mo, committed. Okay. All about commitment. Ang galing naman, Virgo. Saan mo ba matatagpuan yan? Sabihin mo sa akin. Tignan natin kung anong advice, Virgo. Emperor, Empress, Four of Wands. Pero meron kang Hermit, the Hermit card at saka the Hangman. So, ibig sabihin, merong, tsaka Nine of Swords. Tinitingnan ang sitwasyon in a very different perspective. Okay. Parehas kayo well experienced when it comes to love. The moment na parehas kayo nag-surrender sa love, the more na hinahatak kayo pareho ng tadhana. Ay, siguro parehas na kayo mission accomplished with the world card. I think parehas kayong tumapos ng karmic nyo at the same time. Karmic meaning yung mga toxic relationship na the moment na nagbitaw kayo, nag-let go. Ay, sorry. Lumilipad ang lakas ng energy, dahil. May nahulog. Believe into the impossible. It's time to take action. Magta-take action na talaga ang universe dito. Okay. At saka believe into the impossible. Kung may isip mo imposible, posible. Kaya nga, yun na nga sinasabi ko na the moment na nag-surrender ka sa love, sa idea ng love, yung sinabi ko kanina na para ba, ay nako, people come and goes. It is what it is. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. You need to take action din, Virgo, in your side. Okay. Pero hindi ko sinabing i-overdo mo. Okay. So, hold on to your vision, Virgo. Okay, prosperity lies ahead. Huwag mong i-overthink kasi madidelay with the Hangman, or just let it go, do your own thing, okay, on a daily basis, para bagang hindi ko sinabi sa'yo or hindi mo ako narinig. Okay. What you need to release something in order para with the world card. Kailangan mong may tapusin ka like totally fully close. Okay. So merong bagong kasi prosperity lies ahead. Ibig sabihin merong naka-prepare para sa iyo. A fiery climax approaches. So there is something here, Virgo, na kailangan mong i-release personally and energetically sa sarili mo. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Virgo, nakakaingit ka. Huwag mong i-overthink with the 9 of swords. Okay. Kasi mag-create ng blockages yan. Okay. Basta meron kang incoming, mako-confuse ka at first, pero ang dalang person na to is commitment. This is a new person, pero kailangan mo i-cut off or linisin ang kwarto mo or your closet. You have to clean your closet here, Virgo. Mga skeleton mo sa closet, kailangan mong i-let go na. Okay. So, meron kang 4, as I said nga, ang lakas ng 4. 1-4-4-1. I don't know, 4-4-4-1-1-1. Kind of that thing. Lakas ng 4. Meron kang 4-8. 489. So, 489 Virgo. So, check mo siya sa Google. Angel message number 489. Baka makatulong sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, so this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Virgo, in advance. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, Virgo. And see you on the next one. Bye for now.